So just wearing something a little casual for today. Kasi Friday naman. So, and oversized maong pants. And then this one I thrifted. So this one's also an oversized blazer. Well, at least that's the idea. Hindi ko alam kung oversized ba talaga siya. And then I'm wearing a cropped shirt from Uniqlo. So, ayun. We're gonna be going to the office today and I will bring you with me. Bye-bye, Kahel. Bye-bye. Bye, anak. Behave dito, ha. And then Taylor is just sitting, well, sleeping rather, on my computer chair. Goodbye. I'll see you later. Finally here in the office. Walang tumatanggap sa akin na Grab kanina for some reason. Well, I know the reason. Sobrang traffic. And ang sinakyan ko na lang, actually tatlo kanina nakabukas na application. Well, apat. Move It, Joyride, Angkas, and then Grab. And then out of all those four, almost 1 hour akong nag-try mag-book. Tapos walang nag-accept. And out of those four, yung tumanggap lang was Joyride. And yung Joyride, nagdagdag pa ako ng 100 pesos na tip doon para lang tanggapin nila yung booking ko. Grabe, sobrang traffic, ang init. Tapos, medyo parang may amoy pa yung what you call that? Yung, alam mo, sa traffic to kaya hindi ko na alam yung sasabihin ko. Hindi, yung basta yun, alam nyo na yun, basta yun, alam nyo na yung nilalagay sa ulo to protect you pag nasa road. So, ayun, medyo mabaho pa yung helmet, yun, helmet. Kuya, kanina, kahit naka-hair cap na ako. Anyways, so magsa-start lang ako mag-work today, magsa-start lang ako mag-work right now, do my reports in advance, and then, ayusin ko yung mga pa-prize namin for our Christmas party later. Well, today's our Christmas party kasi. So, ayun. I'll see you guys in a bit. Oh my God, thank you kay ate. Nakita niya ako nandito. Tapos binuksan niya yung aircon sa loob. Yung pangalawang pag-game natin, supposedly yung Find Your Group na blindfold edition. 10 players divided to 2 groups. Pero since kulang nga tayo sa prize, ang magagawa lang natin is yung Salitao, which is yung 8 players. The winning team, 4 mananalo sa kanila doon.
Pwede naman magpag-game pa ng dalawa. I mean, ng dalawang winner.
So magpapa-Find Your Group tayo.
Apart from Find Your Group, something na not the problem anymore. Inaayos lang namin connection issue dyan sa office.
Kasi dalawang option na lang siya eh.
Oo. Okay. Yun o. Okay. So, So, isulat natin para talagang ano. Okay, white elephant.
Small touch ko lang.
May gagawin natin. Lalabas ba tayo?
Sabi na kasi magluto ka na, magluto ka na.
Bakit kumuha na yung nananalo?
Oh my God!
Ang layo talaga sa akin.
Grabe si Casey.
Grabe naman!
Casey, wagi mo si Abby.
Parang hindi ka kami nanalo ng jello. Inupuno ako, wala ako.
It's see you later.
Well, I guess I'll see you on your wedding day.
Oh my gosh, that's so mabigat.
Bye!
I'll see you.
Bye-bye to my vlog.
Bye vlog.
Bye!
See you on my wedding.
Ingat!